Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to install Zoom on your Mac for online classes and meetings. The desktop app is actually called Zoom Workplace now, so open up your browser and Google Zoom Workplace Download Mac. Next, go to the zoom.us website. Once you're there, click the Download for Apple Silicon button if you're using an M-Series Mac. If you have an older Mac with an Intel chip, choose Download for Intel instead. Once it's downloaded, double-click the PPG file. Then hit Continue or Install to start the process. If macOS asks for a password, just enter your standard computer login password. After the installation is done, you can launch Zoom using Spotlight by pressing Command-Space, or find it in your Applications folder. When it opens, click Allow to give Zoom the necessary folder permissions. If you want Zoom to update automatically, leave that option checked and hit Done. Now you'll see the main Zoom interface. You'll need an account to log in and use it. Click Sign Up if you don't have one, or Sign In if you already do. Once you're signed in, we need to set up your webcam and microphone before joining a meeting. To do this, go to Settings, or click the Zoom Workplace menu at the top and select Settings. To set up your camera, head over to the Video and Effects section. If you're using a Mac Studio or Mac Mini without a built-in webcam, you can actually use your iPhone's camera. But if your iPhone doesn't show up here, try connecting it directly to your Mac using a USB-C or Thunderbolt cable. Sometimes the camera feature doesn't connect even with AirDrop and the same iCloud account, so plugging in a cable will make the connection much more stable and reliable. Next up is the audio setup. Switch to the Audio tab. The speaker section at the top is for choosing your audio output device. Below that is the microphone section for your audio input. If you have multiple mics plugged in, a list will appear for you to choose from right here. Check the flashing audio level bar and adjust the microphone volume slider so it sounds just right. Basically, once your video and audio are set up, you're good to go. If you're creating the room, hit New Meeting to start. And if you want to join someone else's room, click Join, or simply click directly on the link the host sent you.